Siding Warren is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and energy efficiency. Our siding company in Warren, MI, specializes in vinyl siding installation, offering a wide range of siding options to suit every homeowner's needs. Vinyl siding installation in Warren, MI, is a popular choice due to its durability and low maintenance requirements. Our siding experts in Warren, MI, provide comprehensive siding solutions, ensuring your home is protected from the elements. Siding Warren services are essential for maintaining the integrity of your home's exterior. Our siding contractors in Warren, MI, are skilled in identifying and addressing any issues with your siding, from minor repairs to complete siding replacement. Siding repair services in Warren, MI, ensure that your home remains in top condition, preventing further damage and costly repairs in the future. Trust our siding professionals in Warren, MI, to deliver high-quality siding repair services that restore your home's beauty and functionality. Fiber Cement Siding Warren, Michigan offers a durable and attractive alternative to traditional siding materials. Our siding company in Warren, MI, provides expert fiber cement siding installation, ensuring a long-lasting and visually appealing finish. Fiber cement siding in Warren, Michigan is resistant to weather, pests, and fire, making it an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a low-maintenance and resilient siding option. Our siding experts in Warren, MI, are dedicated to providing top-notch fiber cement siding solutions tailored to your specific needs. Aluminum siding contractors in Warren are experienced in delivering high-quality siding services that enhance your home's exterior. Aluminum siding is a versatile and cost-effective option for homeowners in Warren, MI, looking to upgrade their siding. Our siding company in Warren, MI, offers a range of aluminum siding options, ensuring a perfect fit for your home's style and budget. Trust our aluminum siding contractors in Warren to provide exceptional siding services that improve your home's appearance and value. Siding replacement in Warren, Michigan is a vital service for homeowners looking to update their home's exterior. Our siding professionals offer comprehensive siding replacement services, ensuring a seamless transition from old to new siding. Siding replacement in Warren, Michigan not only enhances your home's curb appeal, but also improves its energy efficiency and protection against the elements. Rely on our siding experts in Warren, MI, for top-quality siding replacement services that meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Siding maintenance in Warren, Michigan is essential for preserving the longevity and appearance of your home's exterior. Our siding company in Warren, MI, offers regular siding maintenance services, including siding inspection and cleaning, to keep your siding in optimal condition. Siding maintenance in Warren, Michigan helps prevent costly repairs and extends the life of your siding. Trust our siding professionals in Warren, Michigan to provide thorough and reliable siding maintenance services that protect your investment.